Good morning, everyone. As you know, my name is and I'm a sports coach, Santesa School, Kosikala, Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. Today, I'm going to show you the ground of uh, nursery, LKG, UKG. Now, in their classes, juggling going on, juggling, how to teach the juggling. So now I'm going to show you how to set up the ground of javelin, because this is the sport marker we called sport marker. See, because of their children, their kids, sometimes they breaks their lines. So we are set up the sport markers, right? Because of they have to stand there, they have to stand on it. Like suppose that this is the sport marker, they have to stand. So this is the indication for them. At least they can, they can stand on it. They will stand on it, and they will come. This is the javelin already I have set up. So they will come one by one. First in a one time first row will come, in second time second row will come, in third time third row will come, and the in four times fourth row will come, in fifth time fifth row will come. So I have set up, there is a big cone, just because of I made it just boundary. So whenever they are finding the boundary, so before starting the class I am telling them to not cross the boundary. This is the boundary, nobody will go out of the boundary. So there they will stand on it, and they will do exercise on the sport marker, some jogging, some jumping jack, some moving their bodies, there's twisting their bodies. After doing that, they will be stand on the sport marker. When I will call them one by one, okay, come, get ready for javelin throw. So they will come behind the hurdle. This is the hurdle. There is no necessary to set up the I can say javelin ground with the hurdle, but I have set up just because of only their kids. So they are, whenever they are standing behind the hurdle, so they are getting it like this is the indication we will not go out of the hurdle. So they will stand behind the hurdle. When I will call them like come on the position, they will come here, they will pick up the javelin like that. This is the first position, they will stand like that. This is the first behind the hurdle. And when I will call them second position, so they will pick up the javelin, they will hold near to their neck. When I will tell them third position, they will pull their hand backward, and they will stretch their arms. And when I will call them third position or fourth position, they will throw it. So this is the all about the javelin command. And I'm teaching them under class nursery to LKG UKG. See, this is the ground. So this is the sport marker I have set up. See very clearly, there is a big cone. Which is the big cone? There is I set up just because of boundary for indication. I have set up just because of boundary, and in the middle of the boundary there is a sport marker. This is a sport marker, so they will stand on the sport marker. So they can't break their line because of they are getting indication. No, they will get indication. Okay, I'm going to stand on it. If I will not stand on it, sir will punishment. So before starting our class, I am telling them to not move here or there. You have to stand on our sport marker, that's it. So they will stand on it, then you will take class very easily. They will not push others, because of there is a space also. So that is a very good strategic to teach nursery class, LKG, UKG first as well. So that is a very good thing. See, so we should teach them like that. Yeah. This is Santesa School from Kosikala, Mathura. In Mathura, this is not in proper Mathura. Mathura is 50 kilometers away from the Kosikala, but Kosikala is part of the Mathura. See, school is a very good. You can see there. This is a ground where I am teaching them. Yeah, I am working here as a sports coach. So I am teaching a lot of game here: football, athletics, and the basketball and the kho too. Thank you.